Operations research is a subject which is also known as quantitative analysis for business decisions. Some people call it as management science. But whatever the name that we use for this, generally operations research dealt with the research or trying to find a solution for operations problems. So, operations research has become very popular among managers, especially at the operations level managers. They can usefully engage this science or techniques or methods, and they can find the solutions for the problems. But what is the nature of this OR? How it is dealt, or what is the basic nature? So basically the purpose of operations research is to build a model. When we say building a model, means we are trying to develop a method, a system where we can use it again and again so that we can find the solution. That means we are creating a template for a particular type of problem. That means only filling up those details and try to find a solution. That is what we call that as model building. Of course, those models, whether they will be useful for all the time, that all depends upon the kind of problem we are dealing with, or whether the changes are required. That also we have to see from time to time depending upon the type of the problem. Similarly, operations research is dealing with interdisciplinary issues. It is not only one discipline that might be dealt with OR problems. It might be two or more disciplines might be also involved in OR related problems. So, and the purpose of operations research is to carry out the operations of an enterprise, of a business, or even government, or any entity with the economical way, or by spending lowest economy we try to find. Not only money, but we can also minimize the time to complete the task. We will come across those kind of things while we go forward. There are situations where we may have to minimize the time, or we may have to minimize the cost, or we may have to maximize the revenues, or we may have to maximize the profit. All these kinds of things are associated with operations research. And in operations research, we use these techniques in order to arrive at a decision. So for making a decision, we need to have some kind of solution on hand, or at least it should optimize a solution to a particular situation, or we need to find optimum solutions for a particular situation or problem. Those are faced by the managers, even day-to-day problems, or long-run problems, or medium-term problems, whatever that may be. Those models are developed in order to find the solutions. Nowadays, managers are using computers also extensively for finding the solution of these OR problems, because there are certain situations where there are multiple variables are involved in the problem situation. In that event, it may not be easy to find a solution manually. So, the OR also requires usage of computers in order to find solution.